Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get XP Tomes in Ultimate Tower Defense. These valuable items are essential for powering up your units, allowing them to reach their maximum potential. Stronger units mean you can conquer tougher challenges and progress further in the game. Let's dive into the best ways to acquire them. The primary method for obtaining XP Tomes is through the dungeon system. As you successfully complete various dungeon floors, you will earn red gems. These red gems can then be exchanged for XP Tomes directly within the dungeon store. Remember, the more challenging the dungeon floor you conquer, the more red gems you will acquire, leading to more tomes. To truly maximize your unit's experience gain, consider units with the Amplified trait, which doubles the experience they receive. Strategic unit placement, especially for shiny units on maps like Aishu Detention Center in hard mode, can also significantly increase their experience. Additionally, playing Infinite Mode offers a steady stream of experience as your units progress through waves. For advanced players, daily quests and bounties offer supplementary rewards that can aid in your XP Tome collection. A popular strategy in battle mode involves using an auto-clicker to spam 2,500 summons, where each enemy defeated grants 1 experience point. Coordinating this with teammates can create an incredibly efficient experience farming method, accelerating your progress significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.